Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Gymshark account. Make sure to download or install your Gymshark app. Once you have downloaded your application, the first thing we're going to do is open it. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Gymshark app, since we haven't created an account, here we'll be on the page where you can get about two options that are login and create your account. You'll have to tap on the second option, that is create your account. Once you have tapped on it, here you'll be on the page where you'll have to fill out the following informations. Your first name, your last name, your email address, date of birth, and password. Here I will be quickly filling out the information. And once you have filled out the information, tap on the create account button. After that, here you will be directed towards the second page where you'll have to select your gender. If you prefer not to say, then you can also get an option on the below that is prefer not to say. Here I will be choosing my gender and tapping on the arrow on the bottom. Just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully created your account. You can tap on the profile icon that is located on the top right hand side corner. And here as you can see, the account has been created. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create Gymshark account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.